Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert Facebook account into business page. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. So once you open, click on your profile picture on the top right, click on your name, and once you are here you need to click on three dots. Here you can see that currently I have 355 friends, so click on three dots, and here you can see turn on professional mode, click on turn on, wait for a few seconds here, and now you can see that my professional mode is turned on. Let me show you. Okay, and let me refresh here. Now you can see that I have 371 followers and 21 following, and friends tab is removed. So now you can see that my profile is converted into page. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.